In a world full of distractions, the BVKS app, already top-rated and appreciated worldwide by thousands of devotees, exists for one simple purpose: to help devotees hear, remember and stay connected to Gurudev every day. With the latest update, the BVKS app takes a major step forward. Here's what's new. Spiritual life grows through regular hearing. The new streak feature gently supports daily consistency in Hari Katha. It tracks your listening and encourages regular hearing without pressure. Soft reminders appear only when needed, not as alarms, but as friendly encouragement. Every devotee hears differently. The BVKS app now recommends lectures based on your personal listening history. As you hear more, the app learns your inclination and suggests content aligned with your preferences. Less searching, more meaningful hearing. Through the Stories section, devotees receive daily darshan and updates from Gurudev's travels and services. Short, simple moments that keep remembrance alive and create a feeling of ongoing association. The new interactive itinerary map shows where Gurudev is currently located and what programs are coming up. With a modern interface and Google Maps integration, it's easy to stay informed and connected wherever you are. Galleries, remembrance through images. The galleries bring together devotional moments from events, yatras and lectures. These images aren't just memories, they're reminders that strengthen connection and reflection. Devotees can now share reflections and appreciation directly on lectures and content. A simple space for thoughtful interaction and a growing devotional community. Dynamic banners highlight important announcements, initiatives and festivals. On sacred days, the app presents curated lecture lists, helping devotees hear the right topics at the right time. Because remembrance matters. Long lectures, limited time? AI-powered summaries capture the essence of lectures and transcriptions, helping you quickly understand key themes and decide what to hear next. Time-saving without losing depth. The audio player has been fully redesigned, calmer, cleaner, and more focused, because hearing should feel peaceful, not distracting. For the first time, videos of Gurudev are available directly inside the BVKS app. No YouTube, no ads, no distractions. Just a custom-built video player, integrated seamlessly with the app, so you can watch and hear with full attention. Introducing Ask BVK SAI, a powerful, custom-built assistant that answers devotees' questions based strictly on Gurudev's lectures and books. Every answer comes with references, so you can verify, study deeper, and hear directly from the source. Clear answers, authentic sources. What you've seen here is just a glimpse. The BVKS app includes many more features, with many more refinements and enhancements coming ahead. We invite you to explore the app yourself, and you will certainly find it deeply useful for regular hearing, remembrance, and connection. Wherever you are in the world, Gurudev's association is now closer than ever. Hare Krishna.